So as you guys can see, even though I kind of wiped this, there's a lot of marks on this beautiful surface. Too bad it gets a lot of fingerprints. So I was contacted by EV Armor, and they sent me this wrap that I could apply on my car. They've got different kinds of wraps. I decided to go with the matte black. That way it can match the interior. But they got carbon fiber, they got other colors. I think they have white. I'll roll through their whole color selection. And it seems like it's very easy to apply, so I'm gonna apply this myself, and then there is their website, EV Armor. Hey, how's it going, guys? So we're at the EV Armor website, and they have several choices to pick from as far as the center console kit goes. Now, I went with the matte black, as you saw in the video, which is this one right here. They do offer a satin black, brushed metal black, which I'm assuming they look amazing in person. They've got the satin white, which I would go with that if I had white interior, but it does not match my car. Got the white carbon fiber, and then of course they have the black carbon fiber, which is also a really nice one. I kind of wanted to go with the same pattern as my car, which I guess the armrest is kind of matte color, so that's why I went with the matte black. But get back to the video. So that is what it looks like after installed by an amateur. If there are any bubbles, the sun is gonna get rid of them. I didn't have to use a heat gun or a hair dryer. This one up here they've been on for about 2 weeks. I did have a couple of bubbles somewhere around here, but they seem to disappear. I do have that piece that goes up there. It's really hard to see. That one was actually pretty easy to install. These two, I would recommend start with this one, like I previously mentioned. Do this one up here, and then work on this is the most difficult one right here. But if you follow the instructions in the video, start from the bottom, go up. Take your time to align this. That's the most important part. Align this properly, and it should be very easy to install. Don't get in a rush. Put some music, put the AC. Don't be like me. The first time I was installing it, I was like, it was hot. I didn't have the AC on, but put the AC, put some music, just have a good time, and you'll do pretty good. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps up the video and the center console. Hope you enjoyed it, found it useful. Link is going to be in the description. I've had the the other two pieces installed for about 2 weeks, and so far there are no scratches. Bubbles went away with the sun. It does get like up to 100 and some degrees out here in Texas. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed it, found it useful. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching.